Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
I'm terrified of needles. I'm just joking.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. All set? Was you bad?
That wasn't bad at all. I was just joking. I'm not scared of needles. That's it?
That's it. So I'll just get the cards for you. You'll be good to go.
Are you ready?
So the great thing about being a Pennsylvania Guardsman is that we're always ready to do our wartime mission. We train for it every day, but we have the second and really tremendous added benefit that when our Commonwealth needs us, we can deploy quickly and support our communities. And that's exactly what we're doing here today at the Esperanza Charter School in Northern Philadelphia. We have a little over 150 Guardsmen, Air Force and Army, that are here. They will be administering vaccines to a community that has a very low vaccination rate right now. So these are an area that really needs the assistance. So we're happy to partner with the City of Philadelphia, partner with FEMA, work with all the local legislators and the councilwomen, and just get this job done. So it really is rewarding to be here in this community, and just the reception we've received has been tremendous. Everyone is really happy for us and to be here, and we just look forward to working with the community. I think what is tremendous here, and what really makes me feel great as a commander of forces, is if you look at the rank structure, we have a lot of young soldiers and airmen who are doing this mission. And when I talk to them, they're motivated, and they tell me about how they were helping with the testing sites first, how they're just proud to to be in their community. So this just makes you feel good as a leader when when you call and you ask for volunteers. You got so many great airmen and soldiers that are willing to do the job, and you can see it, like people smiling, everyone's giving high fives, after they wash your hands, but it really is a great environment right now.